Please be aware that you may experience very strong emotional shifts during this video. Use at your own risk. Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Mind, Body, Emotions expert, master dowser, and best-selling author. This video is going to show you how to release the emotion of disillusionment. Now, we can be disillusioned with anything in life. This is mostly for caregivers and your parents or your life, your job, your work. Disillusionment is just an emotion that happens when you believe something would happen. For example, your parents taught you that people in government are honest and will do good things for you, or go to school, get a good education, you're going to get a great job. Or maybe you somehow assumed, as I did, that my parents would always be there for me, that they would be smart, funny, supportive, helpful, all the way up until the end of their lives. That's what happened with my dad. He died after 6 months of illness from his medication eating a hole through his colon. He had been sick with arthritis for 20-some years, very severe arthritis, but he was always there for me. His mind was brilliant. Now my mom, on the other hand, she's a lot older than my dad was when he passed. And I thought once she moved up into my part of Arizona, she would always be there for me. I don't know why I thought that, where I got that idea from. Maybe it was just a hope. But the disillusionment set in when I saw her mental decline. And it was horrifying, it was scary. And I started to feel the emotion of despair, which is the next emotion after you're disillusioned and things aren't turning out the way you thought in life in general, but also with your parent, your last remaining parent. You feel despair. What else is going to go to crap in your life? You know, what else will you be disillusioned about? You can also feel almost on the way to depression because things aren't going to get any better. And that's scary as heck too. And if you've ever been close to depression, I've been depressed a number of times in my life. I've had some really dark times, some really dark nights of the soul, as they say, or spiritual madness episodes. It's scary. It's really scary. But I got through them, and a lot of the reasons I got through them is because I cleared my emotions that were causing all this. And at the root of a lot of those emotions and those fears was being disillusioned. My expectations weren't being met. And I guess that's a good lesson. We shouldn't be really having expectations. We should be having appreciations, right, for everything that's happening. Anyway, this video will show you how to get rid of your disillusionment. You may need to do it a whole lot of times. I don't know. It depends on, I guess, your degree of disillusionment. If you're like most of us, there's a lot of stuff we're disillusioned about. So what we're going to do is clear the Governing Vessel Meridian, which is it's a major energy channel in our bodies, runs from the bottom of our torso all the way up down to here. And there's acupressure points here that you can tap on with your fingertips gently. Don't overdo it. The harder you tap isn't the better it's going to release. Just do it. Your intention will help a lot. You can also run your hand in reverse like this while you repeat clearing statements. You can do this crumbling action. That feels sort of good too, like you're just crumbling all the emotional crappage out of your system. And you talk about what you want to clear. So let's get started. Just follow along with me. Use this at your own risk. It doesn't replace a doctor's care or medication or anything like this. You may feel some serious energy shifts, emotions come up. Just let it all go, okay? So again, use this at your own risk. It's a very powerful emotional release technique. You can use for any emotions you don't want. So I'm just going to go like this. I now release these feelings of disillusionment about my mom. I thought she'd always be there for me. And while she's physically still here, mentally not doing so well. And sometimes she doesn't even understand the questions I'm asking. She gives weird answers to what I asked her, and it's scary. And I let go of my fears of losing my mom. I let go of this disillusionment that I didn't think at this part in my life this kind of stuff would be going on. I know I obviously did a lot of false expectation creation, but I let it go now. letting it all go. I now choose, instead of creating expectations that might never be met, that I choose to appreciate and focus on what I want to create. And also to know that all outcomes in my life and all the things I've gone through, they are progress. No matter what happens, I'm making progress because I'm learning from everything. Releasing all expectations and changing them into appreciations. For example, at least I have my mom this late in life. A lot of people lost their mom early in life. I let go of all disillusionment that mom wasn't always the person I thought she should be for me. Let go of the feelings of disillusionment all the way back to childhood with both of my parents. When I was the firstborn for almost 3 years, and then they had 2 more kids. Can you imagine the nerve of them? It really is more fun when you laugh about this stuff. And as you clear all the emotions, it's easier to laugh about it. And now we're going to put in some affirmations really quickly. As I let go of these feelings of disillusionment and fear that my life is only going to get worse, or more of my beliefs are going to turn to crap about my life, or what I expected in life is going to turn to crap. I feel safe now to look at the good things in my life and create more of them. Because of that saying, I really hate, but it's true, what you fear will appear. What you focus on comes to you. And I focus on better days, brighter days, and a connection to my bliss. If I imagine it like a beautiful star or moon or the sun, just shining that bliss on me, and I open up all my energy for this bliss now. Oh, I can feel it, just tingling all over and shining down into my life, into the crown of my head. Opening that up now. Opening the top of my head to accept the bliss, the love, the peace, the joy that the universe wants to shed upon me and you. So be it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact me through my website, emorescue.com. Please like this video, share this video. I love your comments. They mean the world to me when you tell me how a video has helped you in some way or suggestions for other videos. Thank you so much. My website's emorescue.com. Lots of free stuff there. Newsletter, videos, audios, ebooks, articles. You want it, you got it. I'm blessed to help you in any way I can. Peace out. Subscribe to my bi-monthly newsletter and get 10 free chapters of Fearless, Accurate Dowsing. There are links to all my Amazon books on the homepage, emorescue.com. Thank you.